Hi, boys and girls. I hope everybody is doing well. Ms. Vitale would just like to review what you need to do this week. Fairly simple. I have included a checklist for you. If you click on the checklist, you will see all the activities for this week. It includes the words of the week, a poem activity, Geronimo Stilton like usual up until the end of May, and I Excel up until the end of June. So you can print this out and check as you go for this week. If you scroll a little bit lower, you're going to find the words of the week, 31 and 32. I have added the worksheets here for you. So week 31, 32. Okay, so you have to complete those four worksheets. Once you've completed those four worksheets, you can go onto your Spelling City account. When you get onto your Spelling City account, you can practice your sentences. The test will be next week, the week of May 25th, anytime that you feel you are ready to write those sentences. Okay, so the next activity is the poem activity. It's two parts. So the first part is you are going to listen to the recording. I have recorded my voice reading poem A and reading poem B. Once you have listened to me once you have listened to me say the poem, so let's say poem A, you have to decide what I am talking about. You have to think, you have to guess. What is Miss Vitale talking about in this poem, poem A? Once you have figured that out, you can write it directly on the line right here. Same goes for poem B. You listen to me read poem B. Once you have figured out what I am talking about, then you can write the answer on the line next to the letter B. Once you have completed this first activity, you're going to scroll a little bit lower and you are going to be completing your own what could it be poem. So a 5-sentence poem written by, you are to write your name here. You are to choose a fruit or a vegetable. So Miss Vitale has given you an example up here. And your 5 senses, what could it be poem is going to be based on this fruit or vegetable. The poem that I created is right here. So I see red. I hear crunch. I smell summer. I feel cold to my teeth. I taste cool juice. It's a watermelon. So you can answer each line with just one word, or you can answer the line with 3 extra words. Sometimes it will depend on what you're trying to describe. But each sentence should really not be longer, than 5 to 6 words in all, including the I feel words there. So if you see here, this line has 3 words, 3 words, 3 words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words, and 4 words. So there is nothing more than 6 words because you want to be short and sweet. You want to describe the best that you can about this fruit or vegetable. So I've given you my example here. You need to do yours right here. Once you have finished writing out your poem, then you can draw me a picture of the fruit or vegetable that you have chosen. So those are the 2 new activities for this week. If you scroll a little bit lower, we have our Geronimo orals. So I have included the information here about our Geronimo orals. Nothing has changed there. If you would like to sign up for this week, Miss Vitale has included a Google Doc spreadsheet like I normally do. You can sign up, look at the times that I have included. There's times on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for this coming week. And finally, you continue working on IExcel section L, U, and O. Boys and girls, remember, this does not have to be finished by the end of the week. It is something that has to be finished by the end of the year, so the end of June. So keep on, working at it at your own pace, but make sure that you do complete a little bit at a time. There is a lot, so you don't want to rush and complete it all the way at the end of June. So in terms of work, boys and girls, that is it for me this week. Keep an eye on the extra activities that I have included for you. I would like to note that Miss Vitali has included a new box. So let me show you that. If you look right here, there is a new Zoom meeting schedule indicated right here. So you have the activities of the week, you have your extra activities, and then you have your Zoom meeting schedule. When you click in this folder here, you're going to just have a little spreadsheet of all the Zoom meetings that we have this week. So this week, the Zoom meetings are for Geronimo Stilton. So Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So you'll see the times there. So anybody who wants to join, more than welcome to, even if you're not doing your oral, but you want to listen in on to your friends. Okay? So keep an eye on that, boys and girls. And otherwise, have a fantastic week. Bye.